We are going to pay attention to the syllables in each of these words. We are going to determine if an extra syllable has been added to the word when we added ed. Our first word is decide. Decide has 2 syllables. So we will put this in the 2-syllable column, decide. Next, we'll look at decided. Decided has 3 syllables. So we will put decided in the 3-syllable column. We also added an extra syllable when we added the ed ending. We went from decide to decided. So we added an extra syllable for decided. Let's take a look at clap. Clap is 1 syllable. Clapped. Clapped is still 1 syllable. So an extra syllable was not added in the case of clapped. Hope. Hope. 1 syllable. Hoped. Hoped is still 1 syllable. So an extra syllable was not added when we added the ed ending to hope. Land. Land. 1 syllable. Landed. Landed is 2 syllables. So when we added the ed ending to landed, we added a syllable. Added a syllable. Play. Play. Play is 1 syllable. Played. Played is still 1 syllable. So we did not add an extra syllable when we added ed to play. Notice that decide, decided has a clear ed ending. Land, landed also has a clear ed ending. If you have a clear ed ending, you add an extra syllable to the word.